about difficulty for Kelly Williams.
360 dunk for Kelly Williams for his dunk and the dunk off.
45 for Kelly Williams.
5 nines rather for Kelly Williams. Again, a 360 double hand pump. Kelly Williams, seeing how difficult that is. All judges giving a 9 for a total of 45 for Kelly Williams. And I'm interested to hear a comment from Mr. Miko Halili, who is the sixth judge sa ating
Salingkit judge natin. At ang hatol niya is, I can do that in my home. Kaya ko hindi ko yun ang nakamaong na baston.
At ganyan ka-confident itong si Miko Halili.
At baston yung maong.
Baston yung maong niya at isa lang ang dala niya.
Yan. Kayang-kaya daw. At ito si KG. Alam mo, feeling ko ito kay KG. Pag nag-tie ito hanggang mamaya 10 na yung tatalonan eh. Tatlo na itong tatalonan ni KG Canaleta. And early on, trying to entice the crowd, Kelly Williams or KG Canaleta. But we also heard some people saying, Mr. Handy Fix. Gusto nilang pasalihin. And alam mo, itong judge natin is starting to get offended with what KG is doing. Bakit po, Kanyo? Because yung mga pinatayo niya doon, ka-height ho ni Miko Halili.
At kaya daw ni Miko Halili yan naka-blindfold. Let's see if he will get his 4th crown. KG Canaleta.
Kids do not do this at home. These are professionals. Si KGO, ito na. With 3
ready
people.
for takeoff. KG Canaleta! And you see the entire Derby Ace Lamados team.
Perfect 54. KG Canaleta, 3 tao po yung kanyang tinalunan doon. Wala yatang sumayad kahit yung shorts ni KG.
Oh, just look at KG Canaleta elevate. Look at that. Alam mo yung nakakatawa, yung ball boy pa sa gitna yung napayuko eh. But just clearing.
Feeling na tatamaan siya no, kahit nasa gitna siya.
Well, we call JC and Tile the Rocket. KG Canaleta is just a jet.
Iba.
I know we used to call Jeffrey Carriazo the jet. But unbelievable. Itong athleticism nitong si KG Canaleta. Winning his 4th crown.
At alam mo, ito yung 3rd perfect dunk niya for tonight. 3rd perfect dunk for tonight. And for the first time for tonight, speechless po.
Speechless. Itong si
Miko
Halili. And that does not happen. Does not happen for Mr. Miko Halili. But congratulations. KG Canaleta would be awarded again by our good commissioner, Sonny Barrios, and Mrs. Ellen Hagedorn, wife of Mayor Ed Hagedorn, our gracious hosts here in Puerto Princesa.
20,000 pesos. And is once again the champion for this event. The slam dunk competition, KG Canaleta.
4-time champion in the slam dunk competition para kay KG
I
Canaleta.
would like to thank our judges, of course, PBA Press Corps President Miko Dao.
We'd also like to thank the judges dito sa ating slam dunk competition. Alfred C., Tito Tala, Coach Norman Black, Kenneth Duremdes, and Mr. Derek Tag of Handy Fix. Those are our judges here. And photo op for our 4-time champion, KG Canaleta.
Rookies versus sophomores blitz game.
And what a treat that KG gave us here in Puerto Princesa. And congratulations to all our participants. We give it their best here.
At alam mo, sabi mo nga, congratulations and thank you sa mga judges. At thank you rin dito sa ating 6th judge na si Miko Halili, who kept it very, very fun and exciting for us here na nag-discuss ng mga contest natin.
We'll turn it over to Leah Cruz, who is our winner, KG Canaleta.
Yes, I am with KG Canaleta. Congratulations. Now, 4-time champion. Hindi ka ba naubusan ng ideas sa pag-iisip ng dunk?
Ano lang naman pinapractice ko lang. Basta hindi ako titigil mag-dunk kahit na hindi siya ma-forma. Basta dunk lang. Para hindi lang mawala yung timing. Saka, natuto na ako last year. Medyo nag-easy-easy ako sa first round, kaya siguro natalo ako.
Now, 3 assistants. 3 yung assistants mo. Ano ba yung ipinalak mo sa kanila para mag-help out sa'yo?
Hindi. Ang ano ko lang doon, bala ko lang doon, isang tao lang. So, magaganda yung mga dunks ng mga sila Kelly, sila Norwood. So, na-pressure ako, wala na akong ibang magawa, kundi dagdagan na lang yung tao.
So, 3 na yan, no? Kaya mo ba 4 o 5? Kung si Miko Halili sasali sa lineup na yan, 4. Yung 3, tas si Miko Halili. Hinahanap po si Miko?
Oo, hinahanap ko nga si Miko eh. Ayun, sa mga tao dito sa Palawan, thank you sa nila sa suporta. Of course, sa PBA, sa mga judges. Sa wakas, maganda na yung ko ngayon, mga score. And yung mga nanonood sa bahay, sa mami ko, sister ko, sa Tarlac, lahat ng parents, relatives, friends, cousins, lahat kayo dyan.
Alright, congratulations, 4-time dunk champion. Congratulations, KG. And now we go back to Dom and the Chicky.
Well, thank you, Leah. What a great day it has been so far. But hindi pa tayo tapos, Chicky. But you know what? It's just, we've been treated, the people here in Puerto Princesa, and for those of our viewers all over the country, just been treated by such great competition. We have new winners and comeback winners in KG Canaleta. Let's do a recap of all the winners in our skills event. Of course, in our obstacle challenge, the winner, of course, in that, as you see the crowd here in Puerto Princesa, very supportive, and all of them really just loving the PBA, having so much fun here in PBA All-Star Weekend. Look at our fans. At alam na natin itong mga superstars natin dito sa PBA. Napakadaming mga fans dito. At kaya naman tuwang-tawa lahat. At kahit saan sila magpunta, which you experienced.
That's right.
Yesterday and last night, and now, of course, this morning, na napakadaming mga fans.
Alam mo, nabanggit mo yan, halo-halo yung ating mga hinanda. No? Yesterday, motorcade, party last night. We have the obstacle game kanina, 3-point shootout, slam dunk. At mamaya, meron tayong blitz game pa. The rookies going up against the sophomores.
Well, that's going to prove to be a very exciting ball game. Well, in behalf of my partner, Chicky Reyes, Leah Cruz, I'm Dominic Uy, and up next will be the blitz game here in Puerto Princesa.